Yeah, look, we work really hard to group like-minded children together in like similar ages. And so what they're getting is their peers. They're sitting with peers and they're learning how to have a conversation and have fun. So, um it's not like an 18-year-old sitting with a 7-year-old. It's 7 and 8 and 9-year-olds might be together. And so it's good fun.
It is. And this is a powerful way of building confidence. There's other courses we do that build skills. This is a confidence building one with some skills as well. And I mean, an example of that would be we've got a lovely little girl. We were told she will never turn her screen on in Zoom and that she'd hardly left the house in months and months. And we're like, okay, well, before we go and do our teenage program with her, we'll put her in Minecraft and we'll help her to feel safe and to feel like she can interact with others safely. Well, and in the first week she was with us, she had a screen on for half of it. But even since then, like she's done probably 20 sessions since then. She's grown her confidence. Shireen, I don't know, like it works. How do I say it works without just saying
Oh,
it works?
she's just testament. And she's incredible. She comes in and she has conversations, and but Minecraft gives the ability for her creativity to flare as well. And she's built friends. She's got one